Live.
I'm News 18 Chief Meteorologist alongside weekend meteorologist Cameron Harden with another update here for the storms rolling across the region. National Weather Service has just issued 2 more warnings across the viewing area. Likely a supplemental warning for parts of Benton County as well as a warning for Montgomery County. Let's cover the Benton County one first, and then we'll get to the Montgomery County warning at this point. We continue to cover this cell that continues to roll southeastward right around 20 miles per hour. Some of the heaviest rainfall at this point just northwest of Otterbein. You can see Otterbein likely catching the heaviest of this system within the next 20 minutes or so. But this is the same cell that's prompted the National Weather Service to issue a severe thunderstorm warning for both Warren as well as Tippecanoe County. You can see maybe possibly a little rotation in the back edge of this system. As far as wind fields go, we're not looking at wind gusts as high as we'd like to see them for severe thunderstorm warning, which makes me think this is more of a hail system. And because it's so hot and so muggy, that makes sense with the chance of hail having so much of the convective activity. So let's go to our storm vision. We'll talk about what kind of hail we're looking at with this system. You see that orange, or the brown, or the blue, I should say, just popped up on your screen. That indicates the type of hail we're seeing over the last few minutes with this system. You can see it moving eastward, marble-sized hail, but this system in particular, at least according to the National Weather Service, has generated some tennis ball-sized hail. So this is all moving towards Greater Lafayette, very slowly, mind you, but torrential rainfall is certainly a possibility. Let's zoom out and look at the Montgomery County storm that seems a bit more fierce at this time. You can see just north of Ladoga that nice defined cell south of Whitesville or west of New Ross. You can see that area right there, that very strong, and you can see the green and the red mixture in that. And that is a bit concerning, Cameron. What does that exactly mean and when we see that red and green right next to each other like it is?
It means that we have some rotation right around that area, which could be the ingredients for some sort of tornado. Not looking as if there's a tornado right now, but that is a good indication that it is very possible. Yeah,
and you can see the brighter colors here. That indicates some stronger winds. So we're looking north of Newmarket, south of Crawfordsville. See that bright red right there? That's indicating about a 43-mile-per-hour wind gust. That's not exactly, once again, not exactly a severe quality, but you can see the rotation southeast of Lindsborg. We're looking just west of Newmarket. That little bit of a coupling, a little bit tight there from Lapland up through Newmarket to Crawfordsville. A little bit of a tight rotation maybe sitting in that system there. So we could easily see some sort of rotation, maybe a tornadic rotation out from that cell that's moving southeastward out of the viewing area, but you can also see some of that heavy rainfall affecting parts of Boone County at this time as well. Another few little cells across parts of Jasper County, Pulaski County at this point. We'll check those out. Not exactly much rotation from those systems right now, just heavy rainfall. And that's going to continue to be really some of the problems that we run into here over the next 12 hours. We do have a tornado watch in effect for the majority of the viewing area through 3 a.m. So right now, just kind of reiterate everything I've said here. Let's talk about those warnings in effect at this point. We have a severe thunderstorm warning out for Benton County. That goes until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Time. A severe thunderstorm warning for Tippecanoe County through 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Southern Montgomery County as well as Boone County until 9:30 p.m. And once again, I mentioned that cell in Montgomery County looks like it may be packing the best chance for some rotation. The cells up and north across parts of Pulaski County, Jasper County, not exactly a problem at this point, but I would not be surprised to see those intensify in the coming hours. Now, Cam, anything you're checking all social media out? Anything as far as storm reports go quite yet on that end?
No storm reports yet, just lots of notifications of pretty strong winds, strong wind gusts coming with these storms up to 60, 70 mile an hour, especially in the Crawfordsville area. But right now, no storm reports, just a lot of heavy wind.
Okay, and one thing that may concern me just a tad with this system that's moving across parts of Benton County. Again, it's kind of tough to see the rotation, if there is any, with this system. But notice the just the overall just little line here of showers and storms that rolls past by Boswell through Atkinson and Oxford. that may indicate just a little bit of rotation as far as radar indicator rotation goes. Again, because this is two satellite radar, or radars, I should say, overlapping, a little hard to see any velocity data within that right now, but as this gets a little bit closer to Lafayette, as it will in the coming hour, we'll continue to see the chances of some heavy rainfall along with this, cloud-to-ground lightning, strong wind gusts, large hail, and yes, the possibility of some of that rotation. So we're going to continue to track this system as it progresses. You see more storms back building across parts of central Illinois. So once these systems roll through, don't think, hey, I'm in the clear, because there's more where that came from. We'll continue, Cameron and I both will continue to monitor the system as it continues to progress throughout the region. Keep it here to WLF5 for continuing updates. You also on our weather blog 18, not to mention on Twitter, and I'm on Facebook as well. We'll have all your updates as they progress across the viewing area.
This has been a Precision 18.